Welcome to Dordt University. I'm Tony Jelsma and I serve in the biology department. Let me tell you a little bit about the biology program. When you become a biology major, you have a lot of different options that you can study. You may be interested in the human body, or you may be interested in genetics or cell biology, or maybe plants or animals or ecology. You have a lot of different options. Most of our students are interested in some career in healthcare, whether it's medicine or physician assistant or physical therapist. Those are the biggest ones, but there are other options as well. You will learn not just about the living creation, whether it be the human body or other aspects, but you will also learn how to become a learner. So the way in which we teach our classes, we encourage you to learn on your own, to do group work, or to do independent study projects, to work with others, and therefore when you graduate you will be better prepared for whatever career that you have chosen. Among the facilities that we have are the cadaver lab, which has 2 bodies. That's an opportunity to learn about the human body, but we also have histology facilities, so you can make your own sections of tissue sections. We have a microbiology lab where you can learn about microbiology, bacteria, viruses, things like that. We also have a molecular biology lab and a cell culture lab. Our students have learning opportunities beyond the regular classroom. Yes, we have lab activities as well, but there are also summer internships that students can do, whether they're here at Dordt or elsewhere. Our students are very valuable to us because they help us teach the labs. They can be tutors and they can help set up the lab, so we get to know our students really well, and this can be an opportunity for you to be involved in the biology program beyond just taking courses. If you're interested in a career in healthcare, we have a very high acceptance rate into medical school, physician assistant school, PT school, and a variety of other programs as well. Part of this is because we have very strong students, but part of it is also because we prepare them very well for a career in healthcare. We can't wait to have you here.